Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you're all doing well. If you haven't already, please subscribe, comment, like and share this video if you do enjoy it. So today's video is all about energy. Part of becoming the best version of yourself is about paying attention to where your energy is. Energy flows where your attention goes, and most of the time we don't pay enough attention to what is going on around us, which could be a downfall to your personal growth, towards you achieving your dreams, towards you getting to where you need to be. And it's important to know that whatever you pay attention to, whatever your mind wanders to, is where your energy will go. If you don't know how to be attentive, your mind will wander and it will just always be lost. So pay attention to every single aspect of your life. Analyze how it's going, analyze where the distractions are, because sometimes you don't even realize that you're being distracted because people don't want you to get to where you want to be. People don't want you to achieve your dreams. So pay attention to where your mind wanders, and you see that if your mind is always focused on your goals, always focused on your dreams, always focused on being better and doing things that actually help you along the way, it's much more beneficial than you letting your mind wander into distractions, into things that are not adding value to your life. So make sure that you're paying attention. And usually if you're paying attention to how things are going in your life, you're paying attention to how people within your personal life are reacting, you won't miss such thing as people taking advantage of you. There's so many people that we can all relate to situations where, you know, you've gone through a situation and after you realize that you were being taken advantage of, and that's because you were not paying attention to the whole picture, or you miss health issues because you're so busy trying to reach that one goal, trying to get better, trying to develop your business. You're losing lack of sleep, you're not paying attention to what your body is telling you. It's important to also, yes, strive to be better, but also pay attention to every single thing that's happened to your life, whether that be your health. Pay attention to how your relationships are forming, or how, you know, what's lacking in them while you're still trying the better version of yourself. Pay attention to every single aspect, and pay attention to what makes you feel good. Sometimes you do things and you realize that, you know, every time you finish doing them you feel unhappy, whether that be surrounding yourself with people that you don't particularly like, or whether that's going to a job where every single time you finish you're a completely different person. So pay attention to the things that trigger you, pay attention to the things that bring joy to you, and focus on those. And remember, your energy flows where your attention goes. So if your attention is all on becoming the best version of yourself, developing, getting to the next level, you will always have positive energy, you will be very well attentive. So don't forget to, while you're trying to strive to be a better version of yourself, don't forget to pay attention to your surroundings. I don't mean that like literally, but pay attention to all other aspects. And thank you for watching. If you've enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a comment in the comment section below, and I'll see you in my next one.